Hello, Martin here, again from Amed. Since I got a lot of questions about the YouTube and many people watching my videos and start asking, Martin, how is it? And they would like to know some details about how is it to be a YouTuber and upload videos so often as I do. Then let's talk about it. First of all, you have to understand why you're going to do it and why you're going to jump into this adventure, if we can call it like that, because it's a real challenge about what you're gonna film, what you're gonna show. If you say that it's for yourself, then better don't do it, because if you will do it for yourself, then just leave it on your files and just open these videos time after time. Don't upload them on a YouTube, because when you're uploading it on a YouTube, definitely you hope that someone will watch these videos. A statement I'm filming for myself, you're doing just because you were not successful enough, or you had no enough patience to continue after you didn't see immediately result, and that's why you kind of trying to fool yourself that you're doing it for yourself. First of all, you filming for someone. Give people entertainment, give information, or show your personality. That's why you're doing it, and don't tell anyone you're doing it for yourself. It's not really like that. I had the same problem actually. I also tried to say that I'm doing it for myself, but no, definitely no. I'm still worried about the views. I'm still worried about the people who's watching this, what I'm going to show them next. Another thing is uploading videos on a YouTube is not the easiest thing what you can do. Find something you are special or you specifically good in and make videos about that. Like for example, my specific is hiking and diving and providing information about Bali. I would like to do something else, but at the moment that's the only thing what I can do, since we are kind of a little bit locked in Bali. We cannot move somewhere else. Driven by different circumstances, but in the future definitely I will do something else, and I've been talking about that as well, but my specific anyways will be diving and some adventures. Another thing is you have to invest a lot of work in these videos, and all this YouTube challenge I'm taking like a long-term investment. Sometimes it's really hard to find out what to show next, but you just simply, now it's about your character. You keep going or you just stop, and you stop doing anything just because you don't see immediate success. And for example, for myself, the diving is not that popular actually. I made one video about how many divers all around the world there are, and there is only 6 million like active divers, and I still don't know where it will bring me. It's a good motivator for me to move and do something and film something and to evolve. It's investment into my skills. I'm finding new places, I'm doing new things just because of I'm driven by this content addiction, and that's great. That's how I'm taking it at the moment. I have people who's following me, I have people who likes what I'm doing, and I think that's the biggest motivator. And it doesn't matter how big is the amount of these people. I'm doing this more than a year and I'm still somewhere around 800. I cannot say I'm sad about that. It's just like I'm just okay to wait until I don't know, someone will start sharing my videos and telling about me. I'm just patiently waiting for that moment. Don't make videos because of the videos. If you are going to sign up for this, then make a good quality videos. People really care about the quality. If there is no story in it, then people don't watch it. I can see it from my videos. I'm trying to have it in a good quality, but sometimes the story is not the best, and maybe at this point it's not really interesting for the people, but maybe in the future they will become more interesting for someone. But that's the thing. Another purpose why I'm doing this is I'm just trying to show you what we have here in Bali, because most people know about Bali just little. Yes, this videos keeps me active, more active than I was before. Maybe I always been active, but when I have to show you something, it's actually, you want it or no, but it's forcing you to move and find the new places, just to get fresh content for you, and you are the most important for all this channel. Don't do anything you are not passionate about, and all gonna be good. If you really care about this channel, don't hesitate to share my videos on your social media pages like Instagram or Facebook or whatever you have, maybe in Telegram. I don't know where, but when you're sharing, that means you make me visible and makes this channel grow. In our river there is freshwater shrimps.
Big.
This guy just got it, one.
Yeah, there's one.
And you know, when you're sharing, then people start seeing me, and then what I'm seeing the views, and of course it gives me some motivation, just because I've been telling that already. The most important thing for anyone is to be needed. When I see views going up, then it means someone is watching them. I kind of understand that these videos are needed. Otherwise, if there are no views, sooner or later you give up. Okay, it's not probably about me, because I will keep going anyways. That's my character. Thanks to my parents for that. But sometimes it's pretty hard times when you see you made a good episode, you think it's a good, but no one is really watching it. I'm always trying to compare to myself when I'm watching these videos, when it becomes boring for me, because I'm also following many YouTube channels, and I'm just trying to compare myself with them, and that makes me clear understanding what's going on with my channel. I'm at the Gemeluk beach at the moment, and from the mountain I was able to see that side effect of the rain season. Look at the beach, look at the water. We'll fly a drone to show you how bad it is. looks terrifying. All right, that's it for today. Hope you found this information